Welcome back, students of class 3 to e-learning class. Today, as you know, it is your science subject. So, you know that already we have completed the explanation of the chapter 5, living and non-living things, and we are doing the exercise of the same chapter. So, we will continue from the exercise of chapter 5. In our previous class, we have done some of the question from section D, very short answer question. You can find this on your page from on the page 34 and 35. You refer to page number 34 and 35 in your science book. So we will continue from section D, very short answer question. So let us start here. We are starting very short answer question. Okay, we will today I will start from question number 3 from same section D, very short answer question. So let us begin. So your first question means question number 3 is name any two plants, any two living things. Name any two living things. So I'll write the question number 3. Name any two living things. Okay. Answer: two living things are boy and bird. Two living things are boy and bird. So I'll give here full stop. Boy and bird. Okay. And then coming to the next question. Question number 4. Name any two plants that show a little movement. Name any two plants that show a little movement. Name any two plants that show a little movement. Okay. Full stop. So your answer is two plants that show a little movement are touch me not plant and sunflower plant. So I will underline here touch me not plant and sunflower plant. Okay. Okay. Next question. Now question number 5. What is the question? What are the tiny holes in the leaves through which plants breathe called? What are the tiny holes in the leaves through which plants breathe called? So question number 5. What are the tiny holes? What are the tiny holes in the leaves through which plants breathe called? What are the tiny holes in the leaves through which plants breathe called? Okay, the answer the tiny holes in the leaves through which the tiny holes in the leaves through which plants breathe are called stomata. Okay, I have underlined that one. So I'll repeat: the tiny holes in the leaves through which plants breathe are called stomata. So today we will do up to this, means will complete the completed section D, very short answer question today. So before ending the class, let us recap what we have done from section D. Very short answer question. Your questions are: number 1, question number 1, what will the following grow into? A kitten, a baby boy. So a kitten will grow into an adult cat, and a baby boy will grow into a man. Number 2, name any 2 animals that give birth to young ones. 2 animals that give birth to young ones are dog and goat. You can write also, other options are there, you can write them also. Next, question number 3, name any 2 living things. 2 living things are boy and bird. This also you have your own choice, you can write other living things. Then question number 4, name any 2 plants that show a little movement. And 2 plants that show a little movement are touch me not plant and sunflower plant. Number 5, what are the tiny holes in the leaves through which plants breathe called? The tiny holes in the leaves through which plants breathe are called stomata. S-T-O-M-A-T-A, stomata. Okay, students, today up to this much. So hope you will be learning your question answer what we have done till now, and you will also be safe and healthy at your home. So for the time being, goodbye to everyone.